First up, revolutionize your driving experience with the 70 mi Dash Cam Omni. This sleek gadget isn't just another accessory, it's your ultimate road companion, with a patented 360-degree full-view recording. Thanks to its innovative two-phase stepping motors, this dash cam boasts a solid 340-degree swivel design, ensuring no blind spots. Powered by cutting-edge AI technology, this dash cam acts as your vigilant guardian, constantly scanning for any suspicious activity around your vehicle in real time. The collision detection algorithm is like having an extra set of eyes, recording crucial data that could be a game changer in case of accidents or legal disputes. It's like having your own black box, providing invaluable support when you need it most. With its built-in GPS for real-time trip data and route tracking, it's like having your personal navigator on board, helping you stay informed and prepared for whatever the road throws your way. Introducing the Lanmoto Vast Pro Dash Cam, your ultimate companion for safer nighttime driving. With a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system, it turns darkness into daylight. With an 8-inch high-resolution screen featuring 5D process technology, your visuals are sharper than ever. Plus, with up to 128 GB of storage, you can record up to 30 hours of continuous footage. Thanks to its Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, the Vast Pro captures crystal clear views no matter how dark it gets. This dash cam boasts a night view range of up to 300 meters. That's an extra 2 to 3 seconds to react, keeping you and your loved ones safe on the road. Let's talk about challenging weather conditions. Rain, fog, snow. The Vast Pro handles them all with ease, thanks to its IP67 waterproof backup camera. Mounted seamlessly on your dashboard, it projects essential information directly onto a transparent lens in your line of sight. Real-time data like speed, GPS navigation instructions, and call notifications are right in front of you, keeping you focused on the road without diverting your attention. This cutting-edge dash cam isn't just your average car gadget. It's a revolutionary accessory designed to take nighttime driving safety to a whole new level. Next up, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. Imagine having the power to diagnose your vehicle's issues right from your smartphone or tablet. Well, that's exactly what BlueDriver does. It's like having a professional OBD2 scan tool right in the palm of your hand. And the best part? It's affordable. BlueDriver is your go-to tool for saving both time and money. Not only does BlueDriver fetch trouble codes, but it also provides a comprehensive list of possible causes and reported fixes. Just buy the BlueDriver sensor from BlueDriver or Amazon, download the free app, then plug the sensor into your OBD2 port and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. Then you've got everything you need, there's nothing else to buy ever. With BlueDriver, you can view live data of your engine, charging and cooling systems. Plus, you can perform enhanced diagnostics and clear module codes like airbag, transmission, ABS and more. So, if you're tired of dealing with expensive mechanics and check engine lights without a clue of what's going on under the hood, do yourself a favor and check out the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. Next is a seriously cool piece of tech that's going to level up your home or workspace, the Vestaboard. What sets the Vestaboard apart is its perfect blend of high-tech functionality and sleek design. Seriously, it's like something out of an old-school train station or airport, but it fits right in with any modern decor. With 132 customizable split-flap character slots, you can display anything you want, from weather updates to inspirational quotes to reminders for your family or team. Measuring a spacious 42 inches diagonally, the Vestaboard is perfect for larger spaces where you want to make a statement. Well, for starters, it's not just a regular display board, it's a conversation starter, a focal point that enhances the ambience of any room it graces. The best part is, you can control it right from your phone or laptop using the mobile or web app. So, if you're looking for the coolest way to bring people together and create a sense of connection like never before, look no further than the Vestaboard. Let's dive into the world of smart home technology with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Ecobee can save you up to 26% per year on heating and cooling costs. This Energy Star certified thermostat is like your energy-saving best friend, automatically adjusting the temperature when you're away, so you never waste a dime heating or cooling an empty house. It's all about comfort without compromise. This smart thermostat preheats or pre-cools your home before you even step inside, ensuring you're greeted by the perfect temperature every time. And when you're home, it adapts seamlessly to keep you cozy day and night, even factoring in humidity so it feels just right. Installation is very simple, taking about 45 minutes or less. Plus, with the Ecobee app and smart home integration, controlling your thermostat is as easy as a tap on your smartphone, tablet, or even your Apple Watch. The Ecobee is built to last over a decade on your wall, with no batteries to fuss with either. And for those extra cozy vibes, you can snag a smart sensor to monitor those key rooms and maximize energy savings. Compatible with a wide range of HVAC systems, this thermostat's definitely got you covered. Let me introduce you to something truly unique: Moss Air, a desktop-sized eco-friendly humidifier that's about to revolutionize the way you think about air purification. It's compact, modern, and has that futuristic look that makes it stand out. The magnetic ball switch adds an extra touch of coolness, and the LED lights highlighting the real living moss. With ancient moss straight from the heart of lush forests, it doesn't just filter out pollutants. It infuses your space with oxygen-rich freshness, giving you that crisp forest feel right at home. Switching between humidifier mode and terrarium mode is a breeze with the magnetic ball. Also, the terrarium mode is self-watering, so you can enjoy that misting visual effect hassle-free. It's like having a little ecosystem in your home, effortlessly creating the perfect environment for your moss filter to thrive. It comes with an automatic switch-off timer. There's no need to worry about oversaturating the moss. Maintaining it is very easy. Just swap out the moss sheet when needed and you're good to go. Moss Air's portable design and soft, natural mood lighting make it the perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're working late or unwinding after a long day, Moss Air has your back with its whisper-quiet operation and serene ambience. Let's end on a fun note by diving into the mesmerizing world of audio-visual technology with the dancing Ferrofluid. This little gadget transforms your favorite tunes into an enchanting dance motion right before your eyes. Crafted with a perfect blend of elegance and innovation, the dancing Ferrofluid is more than just a gadget. It's a conversation starter. Encased in high-transparency glass with a sleek imitation oak grain design, it's a stunning addition to any setup. It reacts to the rhythm of your music, creating captivating visual displays that sync perfectly with the beat. Imagine watching as nano iron powder suspended in pure water dances and contorts in harmony with your favorite tracks. Also, the built-in battery keeps the fun going for up to 8 hours on a single charge. Plus, with its white LED backlight and built-in microphone, the ambience is always on point. Whether you're looking for a creative gift idea, a desktop companion, or just something to help you unwind after a long day, this dancing Ferrofluid has got you covered. Simply place it next to your speakers, kick back, and let the dance begin. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.